Jeremy on his first striper. On his first striper. Yes. Yes.
My first
striper.
Hold
on, Liani. Tape it. Tape it. Okay, Poppy. Okay.
Poppy.
You're gonna beat you. Okay? No one's gonna beat you. You're gonna take him up to the end.
Today we have caught a flounder. It's the best fish in the world, but it's almost little in a hot to me fun. My dad and my brother almost got that thing over here. Seriously, we always have a flounder, but not right now because they're catching a flounder.
Get that video, Wonder. Get that video. Look at that striper Jeremy got. Look at that striper. Go get Jeremy. Go, call atrás Jeremy. Call atrás Jeremy.
And, Papi, that's actually my first flounder. Papi. And, my dad is kind of taking us somewhere, but we catch a striper.
Alright, hold on.
Right.
Go around. Baby, go around. Look at that, baby. No, Poppy. Come here.
I can't see it. I see it.
Jump, Poppy. Jump right there. Jump and then jump down. You wanna go down there? Go do it, you too. Come on, Poppy. You got it? Go grab him, We striper, yeah? No, we just throw a piece of shrimp. Yeah. I go help you, Poppy. Here, Poppy, grab the video.
Papi! What is your aim?
First striper.
Oh my!
Big striper. I had to beat you, that's how strong it was. Porter was saying that he's bleeding like crazy. You could tell inside his mouth, he's bleeding like crazy. Look, it even stay in the ground right there. They just stay in the ground. Shrimp.
Here, Poppy, let me take a picture. You holding it like this. You think you can do it?
No. No.
Toma, Poppy, que te
No,
toque.
stop.
Good job, Jeremy. Good job, Jeremy. All right, we got a striper. We didn't measure it. I think it's short. I don't believe we got 28. Here, Leon.
This first time, this striper have my measure. It definitely moved and I'm almost tired to cry. Jennifer, my dad is gonna tell me this. Oh, great. Papi, you know when I wanna throw it back, get it out.
He's gonna go. That's okay, he's gonna go. He's gonna wake up and he's gonna go.